I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies using a simple cake mix. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of cake mix, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. This method is quick and easy, perfect for a last-minute treat. You'll be surprised how few ingredients you need to create a wonderful dessert. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the entire box of cake mix with the 2 large eggs and 1/3 cup of oil. Stir these ingredients together until a thick, uniform dough forms. It might seem a bit stiff at first, but keep mixing until everything is well incorporated. Finally, gently fold in your 1 cup of chocolate chips, ensuring they are distributed throughout the dough. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, drop rounded spoonfuls of your cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave about 2 inches between each cookie for spreading. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Don't overbake. They will continue to set as they cool. Once baked, let your delicious cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They will be soft and chewy, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. These cake mix cookies are a fantastic, simple way to satisfy your sweet tooth with minimal effort. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.